Magbuwat ka? Magbuwat ka ni mo din na. Okay, so ako lang may bawa kay para may bawa mong online na tao dili. Kaya na may panahon nga ang atong pag-rekarate masabtan sa hindi ko. May bawa mo nga online na din. Session resume. Where are we now? Naata sa 845. Then 345. By the way, the numbering of the resolutions, we continue it for this year.
No, new. Ang ordinance sa mayor, hindi new.
Resolution number 1 ang resolution na bukay sa
Signatories.
signatories. So any comment from this body? We are now in the internal rules and procedure.
Mr. Chair,
Apa ano?
Okay. Kagawan Balingkod is recognized.
having reviewed the internal rules of procedure, we have used this document, these procedures for the past 3 years. I believe everything is in order except, it's ready for adoption except for maybe Section 19 Standing Committee. Mr. Chair, since the composition of the committees we used before needs to be dissected because some are irrelevant to the other committees being held by one person as chairman. Let's say Committee on Peace and Order. Before, we have this Peace and Order, Public Safety, Disaster Risk Reduction Management and Transportation. This has to be dissected into Peace and Order and Public Safety for one chairmanship, and the other will be Disaster Risk Reduction, Resilience and Transportation for another grouping of committees to be for us to select also a chairman and members of this committee. So I think only Section 19 needs to be revised regarding this IRP. Everything is in order and we have adopted this for the past 3 years and everything went smoothly. So I believe only Section 19 should be reviewed and
Section 19.
yes, standing committees, Mr. Chair. Rule 6 committees, Section 19. Rule 6, yes, I'm sorry, yes. Only this portion of this IRP shall be reviewed and restructured. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.
Kagawan Balingkod is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. This is a manifestation to support the recommendation of Honorable Balingkod. Currently, the previous Sangguniang Bayan, they have stipulated, if I'm not mistaken, A to K, that's 11 committees. The 11 committees be dissected to 20 committees. Based on the composition of these, what do you call this, divisions or areas. So if I may I manifest that if I can request the body that I personally would like to head or chair the Committee on Education, having been worked towards as I'm currently working at the University of Bohol, so it is but fitting that I think I head the Committee on Education. Also, on the Committee on Health and Nutrition, I believe I personally have access to the Department of Health through our connections with the provincial government. So if that's okay with the body, that's only my two, based on the committees stipulated in the previous IRP, these are the two areas that I personally would like to ask and request the body if I could share.
So all your manifestations are noted, then we will decide later on what should be. There are two issues. One issue, sa issue ani is i-maintain section 19. No? That is the manifestation of the
No, the entire RP
i-maintain section 19. Malali. So, i-maintain ang tanang as of now except section 19.
Yes.
That is it. Then this administration sa Gawang Baguio, she will handle Committee on Education and Health. Okay, atanan. Okay, atanan, no? Agawan, how is that recognized?
I'm in favor of the manifestations of Councilor Baguio that he will be the chairman of the division. Being with the background na she's allied na chairman of the division.
Okay, kasi ato na lang umupukin ninyo, atong pasulti ko na lang tanan din kung sa may wala mo po emosyon, wala pa may emosyon na mag-voting ka. Pero atong iwan, pasulti ko silang tanan din at ang discuss pending motion actually is i-maintain except section natin. Atong tagsala ako bahana din, atong aminaw na section natin. Okay, atong musunod na siya. Okay, kanya ang nakasunod din naman si Kagawad Baguio, ang Kagawad DJ. Yung may itong kasi gusto mo sulti. Kaya naman to hear the voice of everybody. Ang punto karon is i-maintain an old internal rules of procedure except section 19 on a main motion na nasa table. Which is ang section 19 is committees, standing committees na mo'y pinaka-crucial po nga diskasan, which is in relation to nasa kibarikes ni Kagawad Baguio ng health. Ang second issue po na ito, so I think the second issue is pag-dissect, ang pasabot ako sa hanon instead ng element. So, ato ang katubang Committee on Education and Health separate to siya. So, kano ba itong aklaro na ito, no? Pasunti na ito tanan din. Gusto ko nga maklaro na ito. Ang most main motion is adapt the old IRP except section 19. Kaya section 19 atong mo itong discussion. So there's ang second proposal is himuon nga committee nga 11 himuong it is buwagon. There's a manifestation ng Kagawad Baguio nga siya sa health of education, no? I think wala yung objection. Okay sila na, no? Ato nang i-formalize later on. After ma-identify na to ang kung saan kumilihan ng atong gidaan na to ni kay sagol-sagol ni no mga cluster. There's a clustering of committees into 11 and the manifestation of Kagawad Palingkod is to make this amend this in the split ang ubang committees. Then okay? Kaya Kagawad asa man ta magsugod.
Mr. Chair.
Kagawad Palingkod.
So, since a motion is needed for this committee to be restructured, I move.
Dahil ato sa pasultihan ko tanan kung maka-open tanan, no? Wala yung question na to. Kay organisasyon ng ko kayo ang issue nga mag-imit ang 11. So, dapat na yung proposal of this committee. Kung saan ang committee?
Mr. Chair, in support to
Di ka to sa motion sa...
may I be allowed to?
So I move for the restructuring of this committee. So let me say, if any members will allow me, let's say, for number one, Committee on Peace and
Ang atong issue sa adoption sa niya. Adoption of the whole except 19. Yeah, they're on mag issue sa 19. One by one issue subject at a time, ano? The motion is, I consider that gagawin palingkod as a motion to adopt the whole RIP except section 19.
Yes.
And the second to the motion.
Second.
Second then, by Bautista and any objection, gagawin bagyo.
No objections. Mr. Presiding Officer, if I may be, in connection to Ms. Honorable Palikod, if I may be allowed to state the 20 proposed committees, it's basically the same area. Yes, yes, if I may be allowed.
Yes, after that, but we need to discuss things one subject at a time. So the first is adopting this one except section 19. Then later we'll discuss section 19. What are the committees to be added sa 11? So we can discuss only one subject sa atong motion. So there's no objection. Motion is approved. So we are now adopting the old RIP except section 19. So let us proceed to section 19. Atong hatagan ang tanan maka-open. Okay, this is about the organization. What we have now, of tanaw na to, section 19, di ba? Section 19, the committees. Standing committees, we have here 11. The proposal is mag-kila?
20.
Mag-20.
Basically, if I may be allowed to speak.
Gagawin ba kayo recognize?
Thank you. Since we are 10, assuming that we are 10 because we have already heard our Mr. Presiding Officer earlier manifested that we will take part with the committee membership for all of the committees except for chairmanship. So with the proposed 20 committees that I and Honorable Palikod have, like for example, it's basically like what I said, it's basically the same areas but tailored to our different roles or capacities. For example, Mr. Presiding Officer. So if I may proceed, my manifestation to chair the Committee on Education. For example.
We will go into that the membership. For now, we will one at a time sa ta. Ang atong issue is out of 11, unsa man ang 20. Isod magputar ka tayo. At least one may objection ng Committee on Education and Health is sa imo. At we should be, and by the way, no, as a manifestation, ang section 5 mao nay wala kong mudawat gawas sa mga councils. Klaro mo diha nga sa atong section 5 nga pamamay is the presiding officer may not be elected as chairman. Members sa committee. That is section 5E. Kung matanaw niya ano, then okay nang kuan ato sa mga kung sa mga committee ang i-propose kana sa atong i-discuss.
Mr. Presiding Officer, may I thank you, sir. May I stipulate the 20 proposed 20 committees. Number 1 is on Committee on Peace and Order and Public Safety. Number 2 is Committee on Disaster Risk Reduction, Resilience and Transportation. So basically, sa una, usa ni siya Peace and Order o PRRM. Karon gibuwang na siya. Gibuwang lang siya. So basically, it's just the same but different, broken down into. And then number 3 is Committee on Education. Number 4 is or do you want a photocopy of the proposed list?
I think the members should be given a copy. We cannot discuss intelligently without a copy of the proposal. This is very crucial, no?
Maybe request our staff to
In fact, this needs discussion, the functions, and all matters. kinahanglan nga makasabot na sa atong gidiskusan. Number one is lang tayo copy sa atong mga kabasata sa atong kung sa atong i-akupahan atong i-itagal. Gawa sa mga opinion lang like resolution of opinion. Matters like ordinances of kani, mag-govern na to. Dapat naging tayo idea kung saan ang atong gidiskusan.
Honorable President, this is a sort of
Kung makasulti ta sa Bisaya, ano whatever ko na. Atong purpose is magawa sa tanang opinion.
sa nagabay mga terms, mura o nominar o kisay angay nga chairman of the Senate. Practice ba na nato da? Louis, practice right now. Nominated sa pare as a chairman of the Senate.
Umupalo na siya kagawad Bautista. Pero wala pa man ta maka-organize. After mag-organize na wala tatang tagay, sa aron na to, dili mahimong hisgutag utang nga doble. Lahi man ang eleksyon. Ang atong ibang kay bukon, ang proposal is bukon ang 11 into 20. So na atong 20, magpili na tao, kinsay atong utang. Pero kay, confusing man ang yung kanay ako ni. So, ang point is, sakto na, that is proper nga magbutar, magdulta, magpili kasi vision, pero dili mahimo nga magpili na daw kay mo kung sa committees. Ay importante kayo na yung sa functions nimo. Kay ang atong gikubahan ng emosyon ng propose kagawan bakit dili na to iya kagawan palikod ato na to kan we approve that. So kung sa may na dito i-adapt ni postpone ang 19. Kung sa man ang 19 imo ang 20.
Yes.
Dili man ta makabutang ng tao pa organize. Kung sa man ang 20 ka buhok sa ibutang.
Mr. Chair, I continue the statement of Kagawad Baguio. I think she was on number 4, Committee on Health and Nutrition.
Hatagi sa kapi sa usa aron maka-ibaw ta tanan.
Yes, copy yes.
Botong sa nato aron mahibaw ang dili mo buta ka discuss anang butanga o mahibaw ang uban, no? Pila ka minutes to madam?
That's the staff of SB Secretary, Madam Quijada. It was being photocopied by Mr. Kalapan.
Padayon na natin discussion. Well, what ato, no? Kagawad palingkod?
Yes.
You may proceed.
Yes, it was my point, Mr. Chair. I will read the different committees.
Okay, sige.
Yes, number 5, Committee on Labor and Employment, and number 6, Filipino Workers. Number 6, Committee on Good Governance and Public Ethics. Number 7, Committee on Regulation and Management of NGO Resources and Land Use. Number 8, Committee on Accreditation People's Organizations and Non-Governmental Organizations. Number 9, Committee on Appropriations, Finance, Ways and Means. Number 10, Committee on Social Welfare, Women and Children. Number 11, Committee on Business, Trade, Industry, and Local Economic Enterprises. Number 12, Committee on Agriculture and Tourism. Number 13, Committee on Environmental Protection and Natural Resources. Number 14, Committee on Public Works and Infrastructure. Number 15, Committee on Cooperatives. Number 16, Committee on Barangay Affairs. Number 17, Committee on LGBTQ. And number 18, Committee on Youth and Sports Development. Number 19, Committee on Culture and Arts. And number 20, Committee on Rules, Laws and Privileges, Mr. Chair. These are the 20 different committees, structured committees that needs to be filled. And we will go after this to the votation for the chairmanship and membership of this committee. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Committee on nani copy na na? Please review ninyo no kanang copy si copy alyatan ninyo. Na mo gibasa ni kagawad lingkod. Committee on Youth and Sports and Barangays, may imong butangan isip members, no? Barangay Affairs is with EBC, ISKI, and Student Sports. So, 18 ang committee chairmanship na ning pwede mabutangan.
Ang Barangay Affairs, automatic na si
EBC, ISKI, automatic set
Youth
and
and
Sports.
Sports, yes, Mr. Chair.
Committee of PBC.
Automatic na. Di ba na makachange sa ng vision sa wala. The rest, pwede mag-i-okay sa chairman. Nagawan dati sa iyo guys.
Hindi naman ang bumili base sa nabasa na mga chairmanship bumili sa lugar.
Na may question ang uban, ano ka ng basically masabot man po na dapat na i-function sa ito. Basically masabot man po daw by the name itself, di ba ang nag-asa ni Nilong. At yung crucial kayo nga functions kay Pagdanimus Committee, kaning Section 19, naalala sa mga functions ang pagbungkal kayo will guide the functions of the committee. Title mo lang eh. From the proponent, ito sa may will write the functions of each committee. But, based on section 19, study committees na tayo mga functions. You have only the titles.
Yes, Mr. Chair. I think, yes, it is also stipulated here.
Ang title ani is lahi ang level ng naman.
Yes.
Maning basic function niya na sa maning mga
I think it is also included, even though the previous committees we have were only 11 committees. Under the section of these committees, I think the functions are still also written here. It can be dissected as well. It is,
wala na yung limit dahil mo na.
Yes. Pero ang kasagaran natin na committee, Mr. Chair, the accreditation POs and GOs rules. It is being stipulated here na matters related to legal establishment and operation of cooperatives and accreditation.
Youth and sports, wala yung question, wala na magkaga.
Yes.
Economic enterprise, peace and order and management na yung uso. Tourism, tourism and agriculture, tourism, emergency, bungkat ni, social welfare.
Mr. Chair, bisan tuod o sa una kita po ang mga committees. Pero sa ilang description, sa ilang function sa reklamo mga pag na-dissected na daan. Let's say for example number 7, Committee on Accreditation of POs and GOs, Rules, Laws, Human Rights and Privileges. Ang una, all matters related to or connected with the establishment and operation of cooperatives and accreditation. So nana na sa accreditation POs and GOs. And nakasumpay, all matters related to the assembly and internal rules to study and propose new resolutions and ordinances and its legality, rules, laws, human rights, and privileges naman po na. So, klaro naman po sa iyang mga, sa title o sa iyang sa kuwan,
Do you think okay na next?
descriptions.
Or, kaya kamu man, this will govern us. Depende na ninyo. At ang role is, we should read
Yes,
copy of the resolution and
there is no
ordinances.
problem with the creation of the title and also the functions. Anyway, we have the next session to come up with the descriptions of each committee. So we will further discuss the functions of this committee. The only thing is the section of this
Sir,
committee.
sir, somebody.
I am seconding to the manifestation of Honorable Baliton, Mr. Chair.
What is the
Manifestation that the 11 committees in the previous Sangguniang Bayan be translated into 20 committees as he has read accordingly earlier.
any discussion? I consider that motion kagawad Balingkod, no? Una, we adopted and now is the 20 atong i-approve ni even with the function pa title pa lang. Any discussion? Objection? Wala? So, we adopted committee. Who will be in charge sa pagbutang sa function?
Our SB Secretary, if you can, and I can, if you will allow, Mr. President Chair, I can help and present it to you before approval and to the body. And if it's.
Presentation of this before the next session. Presented to the Vice Mayor and also to the SB Secretary. Before the approval of these functions for the next session, Mr. Chair.
So, Secretary Ann, may nang laro kasi mo ba kasi mo liyo Secretary Ann? Sa partner.
If the SB Secretary is willing, I can work with her with regards to the
Ay, naka-approve na no nga lang walay function.
Yes.
So, mo na atong gapubahan pa hindi ka mo.
yes.
So, din sa mo ba Secretary ano? You can
Basically,
Secretary okay na mo? Okay, atong Secretary in coordination with Kagawad Baguio mo finalize para sa sunod section sa decision sa function sa kada committee. Okay? So, ang atong next is tama na, election na ta or mauna ikuan katong manifestation kanina. Committee on Public Progress.
It was, Mr. Chair, it was manifested by Kagawad Bautista that there should be an election as to the chairmanship of each committee. So I think we can proceed right now, Mr. Chair, before we recess for the next part of the session.
Okay ko kayo.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Who's moving?
Mr. Chair, may I move that Honorable Joel P. Dakis will be heading the chairman on peace and order, public and safety. To complement him as vice chair will be Honorable Marvin Pancho, since he has access to the peace and order, having been elected as the former barangay captain, and member Honorable Jesus Palinco.
Chairman, what is the role of council? Kung ka sagot. One at a time lang ta.
That is one statement, Mr. Chair. For Committee on Peace and Order and Public Safety, that is number 1 on our list.
Then,
May I manifest that the chairperson for the said committee is Honorable Joel P. Dakis.
okay.
Vice chairperson will be Honorable Marvin Pancho.
One at a time sa ta. Vice, one at a time sa ta. One at a time sa ta. The subject should be ang resolution of one at a time. Chairman sa ta niya na member. So, Kagawad Dakis is nominated as chairman. Ano yung mga itong rule? Hindi naman po kailangan subject, basic rule na sa parliamentary rules and procedure, naman subject na. So, chairman is committee on peace and order. Kagawad, namin is recognized.
Pwede, before proceed to the voting, pwede ba istoran na ito ang atong please, Bite.
Sa isda na. Okay daw.
Please,
Sige.
before proceed to
Kung ganahan mo sulti.
what I said,
Kagawad,
thank you.
Balingkod. Balingkod. Sir.
Magkaroon kayo mga ng Bangladesh President as Committee sa Peace and Order sa napili sa mga bayan sa 2022-2025. So, salamat ako sa mga nila ng committee na supportin ng tanang sintano ng tanang peacemaker. So, this time, meeting na mo ang tanang sintano sa Mataguan. So, naong performance, di ba, naman sa isyo. Ang tanang peacekeeper o sintano, anyo sila na may mo kami Mayor Brad as maritim ba sa committee sa Quezon Northern. So kung dili ko pasaling is as pag administrasyon na po kagawa ko sa nagbuhaton na hangyo sa tanang sitanon na kami Mayor Brad tanang prestigious sa batuan na editing ni as committee sa Quezon Northern. So Mayor Brad advice na ako siya mati na hangyo pero ano kani karon so decide ko sa decide yan balik pa po, di ba? Basta martahihan nyo sa tanang peacekeeper sa matang meeting na mo. Sa mo, monthly nga meeting, so naman po yung mga personal na ako di ko nila kalimutan na pati na nga promo pasagin sa desisyon sa inyong bayan karon about sa desisyon. At maro po kayong matabot, kaya salamat sa mga buntag.
Manifestation is noted now, no? Paano na kayo mo proceed ka sa buting area. Ikaw ang lista?
Bakit na nato ang paayag ni Mati na is serving 3 years as chairman. Ang ako, consider that it is needed, uwi ba sila in behalf of
Mr. Chair, we don't think,
Please wait for my recognition. We will be recognizing later on. That is a matter nga manifestation na di ko muso na yung then wala kagawalatis na kanang okay speak ko lahi na personal siguro saya ng decision then kagawan bagyo is recognize. Ako lang is aron mo subay ko kuan forum so kagawan bagyo.
okay, thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. I agree with Honorable Bautista na kanang these three honorables in the persons of Honorable Takis, Honorable Pancho, and Honorable Dano can lead the committee well. So, as my standing manifestation earlier, may I propose that Honorable Joel Takis be the chairperson. Vice chairperson will be Honorable Sixto Dano and member Honorable Marvin Pancho. And how about the body, if you're okay with the proposal?
Again, one by one sa tanong. We're electing the chairman. Kagawa that is using his hands. Okay.
Salamat Mr. President. Mayroong tulungan. Para mo, ito siguro ay ilugan ibang kuhan chairman sa Bisa Hotel. Pero ako pa nakita ng gusto ko matapang sa atong lungsod, labi na sa kalinaw o pagbilo sa drugs o pagsuporta sa atong kapulisan kay ako nakita na huwag yun pamawa ang bawang problema dito sa atong lungsod. Pero hindi importante ang chairman kundi kung sisiro sa utapang katungan kung may problema ang publiko, kung may chairman o si Jen chairman bahala kung kasa kung may butang basta importante makatapang ka. Thank you.
Anyway, no, tanan man yun is subject sa decision na to. Meaning sa voting eh.
Any vote?
Any other comments para mag-votar na? Chairman sana, yan ang number 5, nakatayin ka. Eh, wala na yung nagawad palingkod.
Mr. Chair, I move for votation this matter, Mr. Chair.
Was it, I think, I give no objection, no? Kawan dyan.
Dan untuk kagawad bagyo. Ako ba chairman? Aray November, November mo ulit.
Alam ka kung, will proceed to that. Onya, no? Sa membership. Atong iklaw ko nabi, atong isuspend sa lang na rule para isi adulta. Kanang